The Little Red Ball. Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a boy named Tim. Tim had a bright red ball. He loved his red ball very much. Every day, Tim played with his ball in the park. He would throw it high in the air and catch it. One sunny afternoon, Tim was playing with his red ball when it rolled away. The ball went down a hill and into the forest. Tim ran after it, but the ball rolled faster. He called out, "Wait, red ball, wait!" But the ball did not stop. In the forest, Tim saw a little rabbit. The rabbit had the red ball. "Hello, rabbit," Tim said. "That is my ball. Can I have it back, please?" The rabbit smiled and gave the ball back to him. "Thank you, rabbit," Tim said happily. "Do you want to play with me?" The rabbit nodded. Tim and the rabbit played with the red ball together. They threw it, kicked it, and laughed a lot. Tim was very happy. He made a new friend that day. From then on, Tim and the rabbit played together every day in the park with the little red ball. They were best friends forever.